Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is Oxumaq. Oxumaq. Oxumaq can mean to read, to study, to sing. Let's see some phrases. To read a book. To study, that is for class technically. To sing a song. Kitab oxumaq. Kitab, book. Dərs oxumaq. Dərs is a lesson. When you say dərs oxumaq, you literally mean you're studying for your classes. To sing a song. Mahnı oxumaq. Mahnı is a song. Let's discover those more in some sentences. Mən hər axşam kitab oxumaq istəyirəm, amma heləlik alınmır. I want to read a book every evening, but it doesn't work out so far, for now, as of now. Let's break it apart and you will understand it better. Mən, obviously, means I. Hər axşam, every evening. Kitab oxumaq istəyirəm. See how I said? İstəyirəm, written language. İstəyirəm, spoken language. Kitab oxumaq istəyirəm. I want to read a book. Amma, but. Heləlik alınmır. Heləlik means so far. For now, as of now. Alınmır, it doesn't work out. So it's not happening. Alınmaq, to make it happen. Alınmır, it's not happening. Mən hər axşam kitab oxumaq istəyirəm, amma heləlik alınmır. Let's see another sentence. O, konsertdə mahnı oxumaq istəyir. He or she wants to sing a song at the concert. Concert is a loan word. That's why we write it as concert, the way you write it in many languages, but technically it came from Russian to Azerbaijani and it was written as concert. So we write it as concert, but spoken language, concert. The same goes to Russians. They say concert. T sound, except for s sound. Now, konsertdə, at the concert. Mahnı oxumaq istəyir. See, I did the same thing like previous sentence. İstəyir, written language. İstəyir, spoken language. O, he or she. O, konsertdə mahnı oxumaq istəyir. He or she wants to sing a song at a concert. Awesome. That was today's word. Remember, you don't have to use it in 100% Azerbaijani word. It can be something like, I opened a book, did some oxumaq, and called it productivity. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. There is more, trust me. Thanks.